Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be baking chocolate caramel brownies. Please make sure to watch to the end. All the ingredients will be in the description. First, heat water inside of a pot and place a Pyrex or a glass bowl on top and let your butter melt inside of the bowl. When the butter starts to melt, mix it around and add the milk chocolate and the dark chocolate and stir it around. Next, turn off the heat and let's measure the caramel. This is for the topping, so if you have more spare caramel at the end, then you can add that to the brownies as well. Add some sea salt to the caramel and mix it in. It should start to loosen. This is optional, but you can crush a tablespoon of coffee until it's powder and add it to the chocolate butter. Time to weigh 222 grams of caramel. After, mix in all of the sugar. Add all 4 of the eggs and mix them in. Add a teaspoon of vanilla and mix it in properly. Time to add the chocolate butter to the mix, and make sure to mix them in good. If you have an electric mixer, that would be preferred. Time to mix the cocoa powder and the flour together, or you can sift them into the mix individually. Make sure to mix the mixture properly, including the sides, and making sure no flour is left lumpy. Next, add some butter to your baking tray that you will use to cook the brownies in, and add the baking paper on top.
Dynamite, drop it.
After, add half the mix on top and shake the tray to even it out. Melt the caramel in the microwave for 5 to 10 seconds. Be careful because it heats up very fast and will melt plastic easily. Pour half the caramel on top and then add the rest of the mix and repeat. You can add chocolate chips or nuts or chocolate chunks to the top of the mix if you would like to. When you are finished, place it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until a knife or toothpick comes out clean. Take it out the oven and let it cool down before you cut it into cubes.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave and swallow me whole.
Now the cake is cool, let's cut them into cubes now.
Now live into me what you told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful.
Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. To make sure that you don't miss out on any future baking or cooking videos, press the notification bell. Bye!